Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, house. My house is very big. My house is very big. Number 2, school. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. Number 3, teacher. We should respect our teacher. We should respect our teachers. Number 4, friend. Monica is my friend. Monica is my friend. Number 5, book. This is my math book. This is my math book. Number 6, country. India is our country. India is our country. Number 7, tree. Tree gives us oxygen. Tree gives us oxygen. Number 8, mother. I love my mother very much. I love my mother very much. Number 9, read. I like to read books. I like to read books. Number 10, horse. Horse runs very fast. Horse runs very fast. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.